Let's take a look at this charming, energy-efficient home in Alamosa, Colorado. It welcomes you with a lovely front porch and an easy, low-maintenance yard. Inside, you'll find 3 comfortable bedrooms, including this spacious primary suite. The extra bedrooms are perfect for family, guests, or even a home office. The open-concept kitchen is bright, spacious, and absolutely perfect for gathering. It's the heart of the home, with modern appliances and plenty of counter space. Just next to it, the dining area is filled with warm, inviting, natural light. Relax in the primary bath with its deep soaking tub and separate walk-in shower. And here's the second full bathroom, conveniently located for family and guests. The whole floor plan feels so open and connected, creating a comfortable, easy flow. Finally, the backyard is a private oasis, fully fenced with a fire pit, garden, and RV access. Thanks for joining me today. If this home matches your vision, don't let it slip away. Message me now to take the next step.